गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल शिल्पी अनफ्लैग टाइम शिल्पी बैनर्जी। तो अभी जा रहे हैं जोग फॉल्स देखने के लिए। अभी फ़िलहाल मॉर्निंग 7:30 AM है, खाली खाली है, वरना अगर आप बाद में आओगे तो सो देन द प्लेस बिकम्स वेरी क्राउडी। सो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली लाइक फैंटास्टिक टू कम इन द मॉर्निंग। ओके, ये देखिए भी एंटायर प्लेस क्लाउड से ढका हुआ है। That's the pathway. लिटरली क्लाउड जा रहा है मेरे पास से। I think you can hear the sound of the waterfalls.
नंबर कोण फोन कवा
There is also a short hanging view spot, but अभी फ़िलहाल तो कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है। So only sound.
See Baba, clouds, cloud आते जाते view also please.
So we have just started from the hotel and we are going back to Bangalore. Bidding bye to Jog Falls. Going back to Bangalore. तो यहाँ पे नेविगेट कर चुके हैं 160 किलोमीटर्स टू अपूर्वा रेस्टोरेंट, जहाँ पे उस दिन हम लोग आने के टाइम पे रुके थे फॉर हैविंग ब्रेकफास्ट। तो आज वहीं पे ही वी आर गोइंग टू हैव आवर लंच। 2 hours 58 minutes। और ये देखिए, ये रहा गाड़ी का माइलेज। We are getting around 22 kilometers mileage. तो अभी हम लोग वापस जा रहे हैं। So before we go back, I just wanted to share a few pointers with you while coming to Jog Falls, which you need to keep in your mind. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बेसिक, बहुत ही बेसिक है, मतलब रुकने का जो जगह था मयूरा का, that was very basic. If you have an expectation of staying in a place which is very luxurious, along with that the food served was very very basic. So I just wanted to give you some pointers and Aditya will also help. Yes, तो आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हो वो पॉइंटर्स का जो हम लोग यहाँ पे आए उस दिन फर्स्ट डे itself.
Options are very limited.
Hmm.
Whatever is there is what is that you'll get. One item only for lunch.
Yeah, so that day when we came, that day they told us that only few items were there for lunch, right? Curd rice tha, chicken biryani, egg biryani and veg biryani. Only 4 items were there, right, that day when we came for lunch. And the place was highly crowded. So if you have an expectation कि हम लोग जाएंगे उधर and then we can order food according to our wish, it is irrelevant. It's not possible. So yes, उस दिन lunch के time पे if it is a holiday, the place will be overcrowded because यहाँ पे खाने का जगह बोल के only one place is there, that is Hotel Mayura. No other place is there where you can have your meal or lunch. Yes, the second thing is the weather. The weather is so unpredictable. It's absolutely unpredictable. One moment you will find a clear weather, the next moment it will be very cloudy and the entire Jog Falls will be hidden. So when we came here that time we saw पूरा जगह एकदम वो cloud से ढका हुआ था. We could not even see Jog Falls properly. We could hear the sound of the splashing water but we could not see. And then again we were like lucky to see a clear weather, but again वो clear weather बहुत ही थोड़ी देर के लिए वो रुक रहा है and again it's becoming cloudy. So that is how it is. So let me share one more experience with you all regarding the breakfast and even dinner. तो लंच तो मैंने आपको बोल ही दिया. लंच का टाइमिंग था 1 to 3 ना. लंच का टाइमिंग is 1 to 3. Okay, and breakfast timing is 8 to 10. But I would suggest you to come before 8. What we did was हम लोग ने 7:45 itself we came and then we sat in the restaurant to have our breakfast. Though they will start only after 8. But आसपास वहाँ पे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे मतलब वो होटल्स है where people are staying, but they are all coming to Hotel Mayura for having their breakfast, even for having their snacks and even like dinner, lunch, everything. तो इसलिए जगह हमेशा ही crowded रहता है. तो complimentary था breakfast, but if you are ordering bread omelette, then that is extra. Like any item which is of egg, that is chargeable. The rest of the items were complimentary. So but the charge is very much like minimal, so it is only 60 rupees per plate of bread omelette. So the same problem happened with dinner as well. Dinner का timing था 8 to 10. बट 8 to 10 से पहले ही वहाँ पे बहुत सारा क्राउड था. सो वी हैड टू लिटरली वेट फॉर आवर टर्न क्योंकि वहाँ पे सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट वाज वेरी लिमिटेड. ओनली 36 पीपल कुड सिट टुगेदर. सो द सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट वाज वेरी वेरी लिमिटेड. तो वहाँ पे भी खाने का बहुत प्रॉब्लम था. बट द ओनली लाइक गुड थिंग इज ड्यूरिंग डिनर वी कुड ऑर्डर एज पर our wish, but वहाँ पे सूप वगैरह तो नहीं था. Though soup was very much mentioned in the menu card, but that was not available. Okay, तो वहाँ पे बेसिक खाने का क्वालिटी अच्छा ही था. तो आपको खाने का क्वालिटी कैसा लगा? खाना क्वालिटी was good. Yes, it was good because we ordered दाल फ्राई, उसके साथ आलू जीरा, फिर स्टीम्ड राइस, कर्ड, देन 1 चिकन का एक ग्रेवी ऑर्डर किए थे और उसके साथ चपाती. एंड इतना कुछ ऑर्डर करने के बाद भी वो बिल आ रहा था अराउंड 650 रुपीज़. तो so it's like as I mentioned earlier that the bill is very much minimal. So and the quality is also good. But lunch time में you will have very limited options. You can't get whatever you want to eat. So whatever is being prepared, only that option will be there for you. So that is how it is. And the rooms are also cleaned. How was the room, Papi?
Very good.
The room was good, right? Yes. So the room was good. The view was good. So we literally enjoyed everything. So how was the food, Ricky?
Yummy.
It was nice. Okay, so it was actually nice. So the food means the room was also like cleaned. They had maintained the cleanliness and the hygiene. That was the first priority for us when we check into any hotel. So that was good. और व्यू भी बहुत अच्छा था. बट इसका मतलब वो जोग फॉल्स का टाइमिंग है मॉर्निंग 7 AM to 7 PM इन द इवनिंग. बट वहाँ पे भीड़ हमेशा ही रहता है. ऑल द टाइम द प्लेस इज ओवर क्राउडेड. एंड वन मोर थिंग विच आई वुड लाइक लव टू मेंशन इज not love to mention but which I would like to mention is that the place was very dirty. People, when the tourists come to any place, I really don't understand why don't they maintain the minimal hygiene. They are dropping the waste, the plastic wrappers, the plastic water bottles everywhere. The place is so beautiful, but because of all these things the place has become so dirty, right Ricky? Did you see that? It was so unhygienic. हर तरफ वहाँ पे प्लास्टिक वाटर बॉटल्स, प्लास्टिक रैपर्स, चिप्स का पैकेट, चिप्स का फिर वो चॉकलेट रैपर्स. इट वाज सो बैड. इवन द डस्टबिन्स, वहाँ पे वो डस्टबिन्स भी था वहाँ पे, बट पीपल वर नॉट ड्रॉपिंग द पैकेट्स इन द डस्टबिन्स. रादर दे वर प्रेफरिंग टू ड्रॉप इट ऑन द रोड, which I didn't like. So we, being the citizens of India, we have to be like more responsible towards our country. If we say कि जगह तो गंदा है, अरे यार, who is making the place dirty? We are making the place dirty. If we don't understand, who will understand? So we have to be more responsible. We should be like more responsible and like use the dustbins wisely. If the dustbins are there, we should drop the wrappers only in the dustbins and not anywhere else. First, and the second, everywhere. ये देखिए यहाँ पे मतलब गाड़ी जा रहा है, रोड के साइड में भी you can see the plastic wrappers and the water bottles being thrown. So that is something which we need to be very, very careful. And if the dustbins are not there, in that case you can please carry one trash bag with you. Drop the things there in the trash bag itself. Carry the trash bag along with you. And whenever you find any dustbin on the way, please drop it there. Please kindly do not make the place where you are going to visit dirty. It's like really like very much awful to see that. Now time for lunch. The same restaurant, अपूर्वा रेस्टोरेंट में ही आए हैं. टाइम है 12:55. 60 kilometers more to reach Bangalore. Yeah. 26 minutes more to reach our home. So it's a full moonlight night. Friends, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.